I don't like a lot of stuff going on here. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today is another Stitch Fix day. Stitch Fix is a styling service where you give them all your wants and needs, sizes, styles, all those kinds of things. I will have all the information down below, as well as a code to get $25 off your first box. Also, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button. I finally hit 200 subscribers. Right. Let's get in this box and see what they sent me. You always get the postage paid mailer to send back anything you don't want. Get a note from your stylist. Also, the invoice, which I'll do later. This first one is the Trina bell sleeve blouse in black by 41 Hawthorne, and it is $64. It's very cute. It's got the V-neck in the front, and then in the back, I don't know if you can see that detail, but it's got kind of a pleat in the back. I like the bell sleeves, so cute. Next, this is Daniel Rain. This is the Ari V-neck pullover in blue, size small, $68. And it's a knit, a stretchy knit, actually it's kind of a sweater material, a light sweater. Really cute. I like it. This is the Allen Roll Tab High-Low blue, size small, $44. And this is cute. I don't love the sleeves, but this is cute. It also has the pleat in the back. So let's see how this looks on. These are Liverpool Gia Glider pull-on slim straight leg jean. I like them. Size 427. Those jeans are $98. Good. Okay, this is cute. Cardigan. I really like this. Again, with the back detail, there's a interesting seam running down the back, and it's got these speckles. And this is the Love Ellie Wells Confetti Cardigan in black, size small, $48. I like this a lot. So, all right, we'll start with the cardigan. I like this. I like it a lot. It's got slits on the side. It's long in the back. Pockets in the front. I just think it's really cute. I like that it's black, but that it also has the little speckles, the little confetti, they call it. I like it. I think it's cute. All right, here is the 41 Hawthorne bell sleeve top. It's got little ties on the side. In addition to the bell sleeves, this one I didn't realize was not tied, so it's just kind of hanging around there. But I think this is really cute. I like the print, I like the colors, I think it's cute. I like the little back detail. I think it's cute with the cardigan, just same colors and just the right proportion to make it work. So I like this too. I can see myself wearing this a lot. Same with the cardigan. Anyway, there you go. Okay, the Liverpool pull-on straight leg jeans, they're just not for me. I just don't like myself in straight leg. Just have them on. I don't know if you can even see the shoes. This is not what I would wear with them, but I don't think they're flattering on me. I will say, I have gained a little weight, and I'm very conscious of I'm very conscious of that, and so I feel like these don't do a thing for me in that department. They're very comfortable. So if you like a straight leg jean with a kind of a medium wash, they're great. Just not on me. Okay, this is the Daniel Rain V-neck pullover. I think it's really pretty. I like it. I like the colors. It's kind of a teal and black. Are you getting that? There's the back. It's very comfortable. It's a good weight. It's like really good for this time of year when the weather doesn't quite know what to do, but I think this is really cute. I like this. Here is the West Key high-low roll tab sleeve top. I just feel like this does not do anything for me. I don't like this at all. I don't like a lot of stuff going on here. I like my things more fitted if they're going to be short, and it does have the high-low. I like that. I like that it covers my behind, but it just is not doing anything for me. I really don't like anything about it. So this will definitely be a no. Let me know what you think. All right, let's have some final thoughts. This, definitely not gonna keep. Just don't like it. Really don't like anything about it. I am not gonna keep these. This doesn't look good on me, I don't think. I'll watch it back and see if I change my mind about that, but this, I think it's really cute. I really like it. Don't have anything like it. Think it's cute. Like the weight. Wish it wasn't $64, but I'll just have to think about this one. This one, I just know I will get a lot of use out of it. I will wear this. I think it's really cute. I like all the little details. I like the sleeves. I like the little detail in the back. I like the colors. This is just, I think this is just cute. So I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep this too. I like the confetti I like the little dots of different colors in it. That's super cute. It's not just your typical black cardigan. And again, I think it looks cute with this, and I think it'll be cute with a whole lot of things. So I will keep these two things, and probably that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you if you're returning. Thank you if you're a subscriber. If you're not, please think about doing that. We're in the process now of moving back into our bedroom and bathroom. And so I'm planning to do like a before and after closet reveal, but stay tuned for that. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.